Hey guys, today I will show you today I will show you what looks inside on that CD player, the Sylvania compact disc player, the customized one, so I can show you what I did. The first step is remove the batteries from the battery compartment. And then open the CD door, and then unscrew these screws. Just these two screws. So make sure you keep these things organized, okay? Just be careful with the wire for the battery compartment because it cannot operate, okay? That's very important. Alright. And also there's a screw in the back also. On the battery compartment. Let's unscrew that in and let's do this first, shall we? And then let's open this up. Remember, please make sure you be careful of the laser pickup and bursting. Make sure you have disconnect. Hold on, put the camera. Make sure you have your power disconnect before you tap this to open this up to remove any covers. So please be careful with that thing. That's off a theme song you can hear on the TV. Okay, I should open. There we go. So, here's what I just did on it. Here's your drive system. The drive system.